Hi everyone, this is Rian from Malmo Chilies again. And if you have seen my other videos, you would have seen that the leaves were yellow, and I said it's just because of the cold. It's not because it have too much water or too little. Especially in the summer, you can give them lots and lots of water. So don't be scared of that. But look at these plants. Look at all my plants. Very little. I don't actually see any yellow leaves. This one is still struggling a little bit, but new leaves and everything. There we go. So my ghost peppers, yellow ghost peppers. This one's. There is some nice fruits on here. Look at that. There we go. Let me see if I can. There we go. And there's some others as well. There's another one growing there. So there's a few. That's my red ghost. This is my 7-pot Defcons here. And this is my Serranos. You can see this nice spots that's on here everywhere. Very, very nice spots. There we go. Focus on that one. There we go. All of them. There's my smaller plants growing here also very, very well. There we go. And look at all these fruits. Look at this one. Look at this one. Serrano becomes so big. There. This one is full of peppers. All of them full of peppers. Look at this. Sure. Look at this one. Very nice. All of them. Very, very nice. There's some on my Defcons. See, there's one growing there. Very nice pots. And then my red ghost pepper. Yeah, there's in between. There's some other plants. My wife brings in here as well because everything grows so nicely here. It's hot inside. I opened the window for them there, and then my stable door top is open so that the air can come in, and that's it. So I'll send you a photo, a video of my next my plants outside as well. Um, there's also a lot of pots there. Anyway, yeah. So here you can see how nice they grow. Just in the winter they make the leaves become yellow. They throw the leaves off, and I see there's a few change in color here as well. Um, but then when it's hot again, they start growing nice and bushy. This is a Reaper, Carolina Reaper. That's also a Reaper. There's a Reaper in here. So yeah, Tabasco peppers here. Remits there, also very, very strong. Super, super hot. Um, Yeah, you won't be able to see all the fruit, but there's a lot of fruit on there. Um, Lots and lots. All right, so this is Rian from Malmo Chilies. We will chat again soon. Keep well. Bye.